Hey there, salty dogs. It's been a cold day of fishing. Went out with a buddy of mine, Capt Mark Allen of Real Bolivar Fishing Guide Service. We were on non-stop reds all morning long. Schools of redfish working up and down the deep bayous. The north wind that we've had for the last couple of days with this first major front that we had down here on the upper Texas coast blew out all the water, and there weren't many places for these redfish to hide. So we pretty much sight casted for all of them. And my elbow hurts, my back hurts. It was a lot of fun. So hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh, he's a big boy too. Huh? Hell yeah, buddy. Double hookup. Oh shit. Sorry about that. That was awesome. Oh, it's a red. Sight cast?
Yeah.
Nice. That one. thick redfish. Uh-huh. Poofed off. Oh, you got him? There it is. Gorgeous. Look at the spinner. It's loaded in draw. I'm busy filming. Oh. Quick release. Oh yeah. Yep. Ah, damn. Oh, he's going the other way? No, I got him. Thank you, sir. A little past due there for a while. What? That was bad.
That's what you call a air fryer red.
Uh-huh. Gorgeous.
Air fryer.
Love it. Thanks, sir.
Right there, going to the right.
Oh, I missed mine.
Oh, dude, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, I missed mine. Okay. Oh man. I'm gonna miss the footage on this, but I think you're gonna be fighting that for a little while. Yeah, I just see it. Kind of hard not to see it. Oh my God! Yeah. Oh man, I gotta film this. Dude, that is a unit, man. Be able to handle it. Yep. Ah, shit. Around. Oh, damn. They don't even seem real. Dude, let's get it. I think that one measures in at 40 plus for sure. 50. Caught on light gear on a down south lure, huh? That's a beautiful fish. Jesus, dude.